Hello, my name is Brady Ligon, and welcome to my Create PT app, where I created an app called Quizor. Quizor was coded in the programming language JavaScript. The purpose of Quizor, as seen when you can click on this info tab, is to be able to create your own quizzes to help you study for your AP test, as well as access a preset account that has 2 preset quizzes. Let's get started with the login function. From here, you are set to an interface where you have to input a username and a password. The preset account is given through hints in the placeholders. And let's say we try to input the incorrect username or password and try to log in. We will be given an incorrect username or password. This is because the Mr. C word and password values are stored within an object. So if we do type in the correct one, we will be able to access the preset account screen. Now, if you highlight over such objects, it'll show you which one you're about to click on. So for the quiz, let's go with AP Computer Science. Here, you will find the interface for how most of the quizzes are going to be looking like. It's going to give you the title of your quiz up here. It's going to give whichever question number you are on, along with the question in the text box, as well as an area for your answer which you can input. So for this question, let's say we type an incorrect answer. We will be given an error message saying that's wrong. That is because both the question and the answer values are stored within, yet again, object variables. Object variables is something that's going to be used without this project. So if we do input the correct answer, which is function, it'll give us a correct answer message, as well as taking us on to the next question. This goes out throughout all the 5 questions, but for the purpose of the video, we are going to reset and run this again so I can show you the sign up feature. The sign up feature allows you to set your own username and password, which is stored in an object and can be accessed later on as variables. So you can input your own username and password and hit sign up. This will immediately take you to the login screen where you can then type in that same account you just created, misspelling there, and then continue to your very own account screen. Now I still have implemented the same highlight feature. It also fills in your name, so this can be different depending on what you set the variable to. So let's just try logging out. So see, that'll take you back to the very basic screen. And now let's log back in. So let's create our own quiz. This here is the create quiz screen. This is laid out to where you can input your own quiz name and have to set 5 questions and 5 answers. So for simplicity, let's set it like this. We're just going to go down the number line. So this is the 3rd question, 4th, and 5th. Now, if we wanted to try and make a 6th, we will be given an error message, you can see, saying we cannot make any more questions. So from here, we will hit the create button. And now, as you can see, I didn't put a quiz name, but we have the quiz right here. If we access it, it'll give us our very first question. And if we type in the correct answer, it'll move on to question 2. Anyway, that is all for my Create PT app.